What if the next phone call you get is a scam? What if clicking one innocent-looking email costs you your entire savings? Scammers are getting smarter, but the real danger? Most people have no idea how to report them the right way. And that's exactly how scammers win. But today, we're flipping the script. Because in this video, you'll discover exactly how to report scams, step by step, in ways that actually work. And we're going beyond just filing a complaint. You'll learn where your report really goes, who investigates it, and how it could help others avoid the same trap. Let's dive into the ultimate scam reporting playbook you never knew you needed. Number 1. Why reporting scams matters more than you think. Most people think reporting a scam is a waste of time. They think, it's gone, what's the point? Here's the truth. Reporting scams doesn't just help you. It helps everyone. Scam reports feed into massive government and private databases. These are the sources law enforcement and tech companies use to detect patterns, shut down fraud, rings, and protect other people from falling into the same trap. For example, in 2023 alone, the Federal Trade Commission received more than 2.5 million fraud reports. And based on those, they took down hundreds of fake websites, shut off robocall operations, and froze millions of dollars in stolen assets. Without victims speaking up, none of that would have happened. So no, your report is not useless. Number 2. The first step, gather your evidence. Before you report anything, stop and gather the facts. This includes the name of the scammer or company, if known, phone numbers, email addresses, or websites they used, screenshots of emails, texts, or online ads. Payment info, like if you sent money using a wire transfer, gift card, or crypto. Even if you're angry or embarrassed, write everything down while it's fresh. Let's say someone called pretending to be your bank and asked for your login info. Instead of just saying, a scammer called me, your report should say, caller claimed to be from XYZ Bank, said my account was locked, gave me a fake employee ID, and told me to click a link in a text. The more details, the better the chance of action. Number 3. Report to the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. If you're in the USA, this is the first place to go. Visit reportfraud.ftc.gov. It's fast, free, and takes less than 5 minutes. You'll be asked a few basic questions. What happened? Who contacted you? What method they used? Phone, email, online ad. And whether you lost money. Once you hit submit, the info is sent to a network of law enforcement agencies and investigators. You won't usually hear back, but your report fuels future crackdowns. For example, FTC reports helped shut down a massive student loan forgiveness scam that stole over $5 million, all because people spoke up. Number 4. Report to your state attorney general. Every U.S. state has an attorney general's office that handles consumer complaints. If the scam targeted people in your state, your AG might investigate directly. Just search online for your state plus attorney general plus file a complaint. Some states even offer live chat or phone help. Let's say you're in Texas and someone scammed you out of $2,000 in a fake roofing job. You file a complaint with the Texas AG. If other Texans report the same thing, that contractor could face serious legal action. Don't underestimate state-level power. Number 5. Report it to the right federal agency. Different scams go to different places. Here's a quick cheat sheet. IRS scams pretending to be the government. Report to tigda.gov. Internet scams, phishing emails, or hacking. Go to ic3.gov, which is the FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center. Telemarketing or robocalls. File at donotcall.gov or the FCC website. Investment fraud or crypto scams. Report to the SEC or CFTC. Think of it like choosing the right specialist. At a hospital, the better your report lands, the more likely action will be taken. Number 6. Tell the platform where it happened. If the scam happened on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, or any major platform, report it there too. Why? These companies use user reports to shut down fake accounts. Let's say you got scammed by someone selling fake concert tickets on Instagram. If you report the account and provide screenshots, Instagram might block that user before they scam someone else. Don't assume platforms will find these scammers on their own. Your tip could be the one that shuts them down. Number 7. Report it to your bank or credit card company. If you gave away financial info or sent money, contact your bank immediately. Most banks have fraud departments that can freeze accounts, cancel charges, or start investigations. Even if you paid with a debit card, you may still have protections under the Electronic Fund Transfer Act, especially if you report quickly. And if you paid with a credit card, even better, federal law limits your liability and may help you get your money back through a chargeback. Time matters. The sooner you act, the better your chances. Number 8. If you used gift cards, act fast. A popular scam trick? Asking victims to pay with gift cards. If you bought gift cards and sent the codes, contact the issuer immediately. Here are a few common ones. Amazon. Amazon.com/gift card scams. Google Play. Support.google.com. Apple. Report phishing at apple.com. Some victims were able to freeze or reverse the balance if they reported quickly enough. Even if it's gone, still report it. It helps future victims. Number 9. Warn others. It's a public service. Once you report it officially, take one more step. Warn others. You can post your experience on BBB Scam Tracker, bbb.org, scamwatcher.com, Reddit, r/scams, your local Facebook group or Nextdoor app. Let's say someone posts, "Just got a call from someone pretending to be my grandkid in jail asking for bail money." That warning might save someone's grandma. The next day, it's not about revenge, it's about community. Number 10. Don't just report. Protect yourself next time. Most people only think about scams after it happens. Flip that mindset. Start with simple protections. Use multi-factor authentication on your accounts. Freeze your credit report with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Use a password manager so your logins aren't reused. Sign up for scam alerts at consumer.ftc.gov. Let's say you froze your credit. A scammer gets your info in a data breach. They try to open a loan in your name and fail. Prevention is power. Number 11. What happens after you report a scam? Here's what most people never find out. After you file a report with the FTC or FBI, it enters a shared fraud database used by over 3,000 law enforcement agencies. It helps build cases. Sometimes, your individual case won't be pursued. But if hundreds report the same scam, boom, that becomes a target for investigation. For example, a single phishing site might get ignored, but if it's linked to dozens of reports, federal agents can subpoena web hosts, trace cryptocurrency wallets, and arrest the criminals. That's why your report matters even if it feels small. Number 12. What if you're too embarrassed to report? Many people stay silent because they feel ashamed, but scammers are professional manipulators. They use fear, urgency, fake authority, and even love to get what they want. From fake IRS agents to romance scammers, they know exactly how to twist emotions. Reporting isn't a sign of weakness. It's a badge of courage. By reporting, you become part of the solution. Number 13. Report identity theft right away. If a scammer stole your personal information like your social security number, bank account, or driver's license, that's identity theft, and it requires a separate response. Go to identitytheft.gov. This is the FTC's identity theft recovery platform. It walks you through exactly what to do based on what was stolen, from freezing your credit to filing a police report. Let's say someone opened a credit card in your name. Identitytheft.gov will give you a personalized recovery plan, help you write dispute letters, and even provide forms to send to credit bureaus. Reporting quickly can help limit the damage and protect your future credit. Number 14. Use the postal service for mail scams. If the scam involved fake checks, lottery winnings, or phony business opportunities that came in the mail, report it to the U.S. Postal Inspection Service. Visit usps.gov and file a report under mail fraud. Mail fraud is a federal crime. Let's say someone sent you a check for $5,000 and asked you to deposit it, then send them a refund through gift cards. That's classic mail fraud. USPS inspectors investigate and prosecute these cases, sometimes even arresting scammers using hidden cameras and sting operations. If it touches your mailbox, they want to know. Number 15. Know when to call local police. You might be wondering, should I report a scam to my local police? In some cases, yes. If the scam involved physical threats, lost property, or in-person contact, definitely file a police report. Even for online scams, some banks or insurance companies require a police report before investigating or refunding money. Let's say someone stole your identity, and rented a car in your name. Your local police report becomes critical documentation for clearing your name. Plus, it builds a local record of fraud in your area, which can help detectives spot bigger crime trends. Number 16. Report international scams to the right place. Scammers aren't just in the USA. Many operate from overseas. If you sent money abroad, especially through wire transfer or crypto, report it to the FBI's IC3.gov site. If the scam originated in another country, the US doesn't have direct authority, but it can work with Interpol or foreign agencies. For example, large-scale romance scams from West Africa or tech support scams from India are often part of global criminal networks. Your report might be one puzzle piece that leads to a much bigger takedown. Number 17. Watch out for scam recovery scams. Here's the twist that stings twice. Some scammers pretend to help you get your money back for a fee. They'll say, "We work with the FBI to recover scam funds. Just pay a processing fee." That's a scam on top of a scam. Never pay anyone upfront to recover stolen money. Legit. Recovery agencies, like your bank, the FTC, or law enforcement, do not charge you. If someone promises to reverse a scam for a fee, report them too. Number 18. Report charity or disaster scams. After a tragedy or natural disaster, scammers swarm. They pose as fake charities, GoFundMe pages, or rescue organizations. Before donating, verify the charity at charitynavigator.org or give.org. If you've been scammed or even suspect a fake cause, report it to the FTC and your state charity regulator. Let's say someone claimed to be collecting for wildfire victims, but their PayPal link was sketchy. You can help stop them before they take advantage of more kind-hearted people. Good intentions shouldn't be used as bait. Number 19. Teach your family how to report too. If you know how to report scams, great. But do your parents, your kids, your neighbor? Scammers target the vulnerable, especially the elderly. So after you watch this video, take a minute to talk to your loved ones. Explain how scams work and how reporting helps. For example, help grandma file a report if someone pretended to be her grandson asking for bail money, or teach your teenager to avoid fake sneaker resellers on TikTok. Sharing this knowledge creates a safer world for everyone. Number 20. Don't just watch. Take action. Watching this video is a great first step. But information alone doesn't stop scammers. Action does. So whether you were scammed for $5 or $5,000, report it. Even if you're not sure it was a scam, report it. Even if you think no one will care, report it. Because when thousands of people raise their voice, systems change. And scams don't just disappear. They get shut down. Getting scammed hurts. But staying silent only helps the criminals win. Now that you know exactly how to report scams and why it matters, what will you do the next time something feels suspicious? Have you ever encountered a scam? How did you deal with it? Drop your story in the comments. Your experience might help someone else avoid the same trap.